Hey, welcome back to the Mindful Mornings with me, Prakriti. I am a wellness consultant. I am a yoga instructor as well as I am also a mindful coach. And since last 3 videos, I have been sharing my 6 years of experience of how to be little more mindful, of how to ground our emotions, बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड ये जो लॉकडाउन पीरियड है वो हमारे लिए सबके लिए इतना ज़्यादा ट्रिकी है. समटाइम्स वी एक्सपीरियंस सच एक्सट्रीम इमोशंस विथ नो रीज़न, राइट? एंगर कमिंग अप, फ्रस्ट्रेशंस आ रहे हैं, देन देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है, we are actually feeling sad for no reason, and this is all something which we all are experiencing it. And these mindful practices are basically giving us some kind of a relief on how to really ground our emotions, how to channelize our emotions and then release it. सो अ लॉट ऑफ द टाइम्स इतने सारे इमोशंस जो अभी हम लोग फील कर रहे हैं, वो सारे इमोशंस शायद हमने बहुत टाइम के बाद हम ये सारे इमोशंस फील कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑल दिस वाइल वी हैड बीन रियली बिजी विथ आवर लाइफ्स. बट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम it is like a pause for all of us. सो एक पॉज आ गया है हमारे लाइफ में. वी आर ऑल्सो एक्सपीरियंसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ अनएड्रेस्ड इमोशंस, ऐसे इमोशंस जिसको हम एस्केप कर रहे थे बहुत टाइम से, राइट? जैसे जैसे कुछ चीज़ें होती है जो हमें इतनी ज़्यादा ट्रिगर करती है, बट वी कीप आवर सेल्फ बिजी विथ वर्क, or we get into some substances which is going to make us feel good about it. हम लोग किसी को फ़ोन कर लेते हैं या फ्रेंड्स के साथ मिल लेते हैं, बट दैट सिचुएशन विच इज़ अनरिजॉल्व्ड वो वापस से आ जाती है. एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट क्वाइट वेरी मच बिजी विथ आवर लाइफ, तो क्या हो रहा है कि ये जो सारे अनएड्रेस्ड इमोशंस है, इट माइट स्लोली सरफेस, and that is completely fine. It's completely okay, and we should allow these things to come up, and we should allow it to just release all these things, all the toxic emotions, all the toxic memory that we have in our body, that is stored in our mind, it is stored. So yes, so this mindful activity जो अभी तक के हमने जो भी सारे एक्टिविटीज़ मैंने आपसे शेयर की है, उसको on day 4, this is the day 4, and I want you to start with the day 1 activity again, but इसको हम एक लेवल ऊपर जाएंगे. We are going to go a little more intense, or you can say little deeper into the same activity, that is about body awareness. Now, when we start to become aware about what is happening with the body sensations, we also become aware that what is happening in our mind, in our emotions. कितनी बार ऐसा होता है कि हम हमारा जो एंगर है उसका रूट कुछ और है. हम किसी एक बंदे के ऊपर हमें इतना ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी आर एक्चुअली एंग्री विथ अदर्स ऑल्सो. हम बाकी 10 लोगों के साथ जिनके साथ बात कर रहे हैं उनसे अच्छे से बात नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उनके साथ भी हम लोग उतने ही गुस्से से बात कर रहे हैं, because I am angry with that one person. So it has happened to me a lot of times. It used to happen to me that suddenly I am angry with no reason. I'm just angry on everybody. And then when I reflect back, because I have started to practice mindfulness, I will understand कि ये जो मेरा गुस्सा है वो वाले इंसिडेंट की वजह से है. बट इसमें अगर मैं ये सारे लोगों के सामने या फिर सबके सामने अगर वो वाला गुस्सा निकालूंगी, तो इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प मी विद दैट इशू और विद दैट पर्सन, right? So what I'm doing is, because of that one person, I am throwing the toxicity which I have carried because of that one person to all the 10 people that is around me. And उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, I will start to lose, even these 10 people will lose their patience. I will start to have some kind of a negative negative implications on these 10 people also. There is a possibility. So being more mindful is about releasing all the emotions that is present. which is not serving us, which is not making us feel better or good, or which is making us feel dull, heavy, and हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रहे हैं. We are not even able to receive something new. So mindfulness is where this is the practical implications of being more mindful. So yes, today what we are going to do is, if you go back to my day 1 activity, you will see that in the day 1 activity what we are doing is, we are playing one instrumental music. वो instrumental music को हमें सुनना है. We have to just close our eyes. We have to just center ourselves, ground ourselves. We take some deep breathing. We do some deep breathing, and then what we are going to do now is, we just focus on our palms. Okay, the palms and the feet. So we're just going to focus on the palms and the feet of our body. We will close our eyes, and when we are listening to the music, जब हम म्यूज़िक को सुन रहे हैं, उस टाइम पे हमारा पूरा फोकस सिर्फ 2 palms पे and 2 feet पे होना चाहिए. And what are the sensations that we are feeling? Okay, we can also question ourselves that is there any kind of negative or some painful energy that is present in the body? Is there any suffocating energy that is present in the body? Is there any stiffness that is present in the body? Which of the body part is more stiff? Which is the body part which is more relaxed? So we begin with the 2 palms, then we put our attention to the feet, and then we slowly question ourselves, which is the body part which is experiencing a lot of stress. Okay, so we question this, and we will be able to feel that which is that body part. Is it the neck? Is it the shoulders? Is it the back? Or is it my stomach, my abdomen muscles? Which are the muscles which are extremely relaxed and very flexible? So then we question that, and we will ourselves get the answers, because your body is very, very intelligent. It is very, very wise, and it knows a lot of things which on the subconscious level sometimes we are not aware about. So yes, this activity of day 1, we are taking it to a level 2, and the next time please come with a diary and a pen. We are going to do another mindful activity, which is again going to be interesting, and it will help you in releasing all the bad or the emotions which is stuck inside us, right? So yes, I will see you soon, and please share, if you really feel that these are the activities which is really helping you, or it is making sense to you, then share and like and subscribe my page. Also you can do the activity and share your experience of how you are feeling, what are the sensations that you felt in your body, in your palms, and do let me know how it was. Alright, so I wish you a very, very good day, and I will see you soon. Thank you.